Hello students, once again welcome to all of you. In today's lecture, we have discussed the topic e-services, e-solution, e-business solution and the shopping cart. This is our lecture number 2nd for the unit 2nd, commerce process and the payment solution. So let us start. E-services. E-services in bracket electronic services are services which use of information and communication technologies, that means ICT. The three main components of e-services are service provider, service receiver and the channel of service delivery. For example, as concern to public e-service, public agencies, the service provider and citizen as well as business are the service receivers. So, e-service are services which use of information and communication technologies. Okay. So, e-services is highly generic term usually referring to the provision of services through the internet. Okay. Thus, e-service may also include e-commerce, although it may also include non-commercial services, which is usually provided by the government. Okay. Next point is e-solution. E-solution, it means internet solution, are simply a set of integrated online tools that enable e-business. E-solution enable real-time browse-based access to company, product and the solution via the web. Internet solution take the same e-business principle and make it accessible to small and medium-sized business worldwide. E-solution categorized as credit solution, pre-screen solution and the custom solution. So students, e-solution help thousands of companies make real-time credit decision for their existing client and prospect. There is no software or hardware installation to use e-solution and no setup cost. E-solution offer convenient, easy access to the world's largest private consumer information database through the web. For example, manager can instantly access database to help target new customer, make credit decision, identify cross-selling opportunities, manage customer, build strong consumer relationship and the grow business. The user interface is friendly, fast and easy to use. Next is shopping cart. A shopping cart on an online retailer's site is a piece of software that facilitate the purchase of a product or service. It accepts the customer payment and organize the distribution of that information to the merchant, payment processor and other parties. Shopping cart bridge the gap between shopping and buying, so having the best shopping cart software is extremely important on your website. Okay. So, shopping cart is the important factor of e-commerce business. Next topic is merchant account. So, students, what is a merchant account? A merchant account is a type of bank account that allow business to accept payment by debit or credit card. Merchant account is an agreement between a retailer, a merchant bank and payment processor for the settlement of credit card and or debit card transaction. So students, a holding account for transaction money while the payment is processed. Merchant account are definition provided by acquire or acquiring bank. It comes with a contract, card processing fees and other cost. it has a unique merchant ID for your business. It provides an extra level of security to card payment. Okay, so students work directly with the card network, card issuer and the card processor to clear the transaction in your bank account. So this is an important point. So students, today we have saw what is a e-service, what is a e-solution, what is a shopping cart, and what is a merchant account. Okay, in next lecture we will see the remaining topic. Okay, thank you.